everyone, this is TechFellow YouTube channel and my name is Akib Hassan. Today in this short tutorial I will show you that how to connect your Boya mic with your laptop or PC. This is quite easy. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Okay, after connecting your mic with your PC or laptop, open the control panel and follow these steps. Now read this sentence loudly in your microphone and then you will get your microphone ready. Hence you can connect your microphone with your PC or laptop easily by this method. I hope you will like this video. For more informative videos, please stay connected and do subscribe. Thank you.